Hey, to set image as a watch face on the Huawei Watch Fit 3, first of all you have to open the Huawei Health application on your smartphone, then select your Watch Fit 3, and now scroll down a little bit until you find watch faces. Click here. Next, we have to click on the mine in the right corner, and we have to select one of these following watch faces. Do it yourself, the style, or the gallery. Let's say that I want to pick the gallery. Now I have to click download. So we have to be connected, for example, to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and now I have to click on the plus. And next, I can pick something from the gallery of my smartphone or take the photo right now. Let's say that I want to take the photo right now. There we go. And now I have to click here one more time. And now I'm able to pick this picture or the part of the picture that I just take and set it as a watch face. So I would like to pick, for example, this part. Click on the right upper corner. And now as you can see, we can also customize it, so we can change the clock style. This is actually the different font. Let's get this one. We can also change the layout, and we can add some widgets. So we can, for example, add the calories burned, or for example, the battery level. Then we can click right here, or just go back. No, you actually cannot do this, but you can just click to save. And now it's actually transferring the image straight into our watch. And as you can see, now we just set the custom watch face. When you go back, you can just enter for it one more time and add another custom watch face. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.